Oh, yeah. Focus. Okay. So you have the software inside your phone?
Yes, I've
Tested it before?
downloaded it. No, I don't know anything about it now. But I downloaded it for Google Play.
Listen, I like my phone. I don't want to take it. Say my phone after the poke lamp ladder is too far.
You
Because
no
you have
go
to hold
for
your phone.
you dey use iPhone now. If you go carry that thing, wait for from height.
Me they use iPhone. Now Palasa they use it.
Where is
it? The Palasa phone make it safe.
Where is that LMB?
CLMB here.
Okay. So
Something has fallen down.
this place should face off.
See the nuts.
Okay, down
Down.
like this.
Okay, there is what we call 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 12 o'clock.
This thing, man. See. See all this thing now. Look at this one. Look at this one. This one now. The way this one is even they confusing now. They have both vertical and horizontal. Vertical is like this DSTV on nice. This thing now is horizontal. Straight. This is vertical. Like most of the DSTV is like this. It's always like this. You get it.
That one is what now? That one is vertical?
It's just in between. Not straight like this. It's not kind of this. Just like
Okay,
this.
in between, at the middle.
How it faces too matter.
Yes, that's why I'm talking about 3 o'clock, 12 o'clock.
If you put this in like this on DSTV,
There's a place you're supposed to draw something for you to see the clock this thing, so that you know where to position your
3
LMB.
o'clock just like this 12, this 6, this 12, this 6. Now normal clock.
Yes.
Yes.
3 and 9.
This 9. So I would say 3 o'clock means put like this.
Yes.
4 o'clock.
Down a little bit in
maybe
between.
5 o'clock like this.
This is the
this-
ROK.
6 o'clock like this.
Okay.
So if they say like this DSTV now, if you use DSTV like this smart, like this special guy like that, you do it from now till tomorrow till next year.
So this one is
you
like
won't-
6 o'clock.
you won't get signal.
Okay, DSTV.
You dey hear them
If
now.
you
have
use
their own.
If you use DSTV like this and it faces down like this, you won't get signal. It's majorly
Okay,
like
it is not written in the
it's
LMB.
better.
It is
better
not
you-
written.
It's better you do.
Now the technique in the teaches, so it's not written on the
That's why
LMB.
whenever you
Which
want to
one?
install
Okay,
bro,
wax it.
whenever
What
you want
is
to
it?
install like this,
On which satellite
this
are you
one
going to use?
That be those code where they draw for this thing. Now we go tell you, say, make you go check your pin post now.
like this one now,
Yes.
You drop from where now?
you can use like
From
this.
See the from the
Not
group,
down like this. You are doing
there's a
like this,
pin
like
post.
this.
You always they drop numbers, code. They tell me say I need to teach you all those code where you they see like
You use
11,000
like this or you use like this.
H30.
For
Now
which
they
of the
talk about
satellites?
now that one with the thing.
Most
Then you can't
satellite-
put 3 o'clock on
most
it.
satellites.
Then how will you know you are doing it right? Maybe for a first timer, I've not had
Like DSTV now.
They
My
go
advice,
put
my advice for
o'clock on
DSTV,
it.
yeah? My
Listen.
advice for DSTV, you want to install DSTV, don't make the mistake of putting it like this. You'll never get signal. Other ones you can do like this, you get signal. But
Others, but for
what I
only
mean like this arrow, this thing now like this,
Down.
you can get signal that one. But DSTV,
never.
How the DSTV LNB ever be?
no, it's not about the LNB.
Like if you are tracking for DSTV.
If you are tracking for church, you can put the same LNB like this.
But whatever captures for DSTV can it work for others?
I don't understand.
Like this, you mentioned like Shina Joy TV now. Let's see the
If you-
settings. You
It's,
said DSTV can
it's
work
like this.
DSTV is like this.
Okay.
Can this same thing work for that Joy?
It can work, but if you are doing anything outside DSTV, first of all, put your LMB like this.
Okay.
Anything outside DSTV.
Once you've got your signal is on, you cannot be doing like this to see whether the signal will increase. Like this.
Okay, by default, if you just place it at 6 o'clock, you definitely get signal.
Yes.
You
So
understand
cannot
now?
be doing like this to Then you cannot be touching like this.
Turning
to
it.
see if- yeah. Understand? So
So should I tighten it this way?
just let it first. So should I bring screen or we use my own finder? Which will be better for us?
Use my own, may I feel like.
That one a technical one.
Technical.
Please.
But we'll have
No,
to use
I will
it.
use decoder. It's default. Understands?
In old school time, that decoder that they use.
You get finder.
And I don't have.
Uh-huh.
That's the
You don't
fact.
need to learn.
So,
You don't need to learn how to use
because of
finder.